Very nice. Try this today, guys. Hi, welcome everyone. Taste the Valued Chef Fasa YouTube channel. Today we are going to make a special dessert for the Ramadan, and this is for my lovely Muslim friend. This dessert's basically we're gonna do with puff pastry, mixed berry, and I will make nicely new pastry cream. It's not pastry cream, but it's similar to pastry cream. So quickly, let's go to the recipe. First, we're gonna make mixed berry compote. So I have 350 gram mixed berry and 50 gram sugar, and I have half of lemon. So let's go with cooking. Okay, first we're gonna cook the mixed berry compote. While we are cooking the mixed berry compote, so you can make ready your puff pastry. Let's cook the puff pastry. So before I cook puff pastry, please don't forget to dust the icing sugar, so it will give you nicely taste and it give you nice crispiness. Let's go for baking. So I'm gonna use 170 Celsius. Even at home you can cook any oven 170 Celsius around 20 minutes, because at home you have like not much powerful oven, so you can use like 20 minutes around until it come in golden color. So after cooking I will show you the color and timing, how much exactly you need to cook. So let's go back to the mixed berry compote. Yalla. Oh, mashallah, you can see it's bubbling and boiling nicely. So you need to cook until they reduce the water of the berries. So you need to cook until getting thick the berry compote. So berry compote almost ready. Not almost, it's ready now. I will show you how to check. Come please close, chef. When you do your spatula or spoon, see, you can see the one line here. See, you can remove and you will see the bottom. So now you recognize your berry compote is ready. So I'm gonna remove, but same time we will add little bit lemon juice. Okay, so let's go back to the puff pastry. Now puff pastry is ready, but we cook almost 25 minutes. Anyhow, you need to cook until come golden brown color. So time it can be between 20 minutes to 30 minutes. So keep in mind, should be golden brown color. Okay guys, now this is final stage. So we are going to make the cream now. I'm gonna put 250 ml whipping cream. Okay, and I will beat. After that we're gonna add the okay guys, you can see how's the cream now. It's already beat. Let me show you. It's beat already. So now I'm gonna add pastry cream. So you can call this custard cream, no problem. So you will add either pastry cream or custard cream. This is 200 gram custard cream. Then again we will mix smoothly, slow speed. Okay, you can see now our cream is ready. So I'm gonna put in the piping bag. This is easy for you to plate the dessert. Okay guys, now we have all the ingredients: the mixed berries, mixed berry compote, and cooked puff pastry, and the cream. So I'm gonna start plating. First we'll put cream layer. Now I'm going to put puff pastry. Wow, you can see the crispy, very crispy. Now I'm going to put my mixed berry compote. One layer mixed berry, puff pastry, final layer, the cream. Okay guys, finally it's done. So now I'm going to garnish with mixed berry. I'm going to use raspberry, some strawberry, and also I have freshly blueberry. Wow. Very special for my Muslim friends. Okay guys, finally we're gonna dust some ice and sugar. Okay guys, let's try the taste. Wow. Okay. Let's try. Very nice. Creamy, crunchy, and berry with sourness. Very nice, guys. This is very special for your Ramadan. And right now this one is start viral going on Dubai. So let's try the recipe and give you a comment. Thank you so much.